Hi, I'm Benjamin Boy, Applications Team Lead here at ATLANT, and today I'll present to you which applications you can use and develop with the nanofabricator light that we see here. The nanofabricator light is based on the proprietary technology that we developed here at ATLANT 3D, named DALP, so Direct Atomic Layer Processing, and essentially this is the first tool of its kind that can enable this new technology. The advantage of DALP in 3 lines. The first one is extreme control of thickness deposition of the materials that we have, and access to multiple materials that are available in the ALD market. So it's up to almost 450 materials that we can use with this tool. And when they are deposited, they are of the same quality of the materials that we would use in the industry of microtechnology. The last and one of the main advantages is that we can make deposition conformally on multiple substrates. We can deposit on glass, we can deposit on silicon substrates, but we don't stop here. We can deposit in polymers, we can deposit in trenches, for example. So those are the 3 main points if I have to summarize them. First one is extreme control of thickness. It's atomic precision. Second point is a lot of access to a lot of materials with similar quality as the semiconductor industry. And finally, being able to conformally deposit to any type of substrates.